Hey, my name is James Nicholson and welcome to this channel. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 ways that you can make money on your Instagram profile. And they are going to shock you. So make sure you stick around to the end because these are 5 really detailed things that you can do that will guarantee to make you more money on Instagram if you implement them. And that's the big point here. Now, I'm James Nicholson. I'm the author of the new book, Expert Mastery, which you can grab a free copy of in the description below. I've been in business 17 years. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur and as a business owner. And I'm a digital marketing mentor. So I support business owners to grow and scale their business using marketing. And I teach real stuff. So if you go and check out my Instagram following, which you can in the description, it's James Nicholson Official, then you'll see that I have real followers on my Instagram. You see, a lot of people go out there and they get fake followers just to look big and intelligent and super important. But what's more important is that you get really qualified people on your Instagram. So I don't want you to get fake followers. I want to get real people for you that could potentially be your customer. Now let's look at 5 ways that you can make some money when you've got some followers with your Instagram. Now the first one, probably the most obvious that you see people doing, is sponsored posts. So a lot of celebrities do this, don't they? Where they will do a post and they will be being paid by that brand to sponsor that post. For example, they might be talking about a weight loss product. They might be talking about hotels or holidays. There's lots of different things and different niches. You'll see all different things depending on the celebrities that you follow. Now, you can also do that as well. So you can reach out to brands that you see are working with those celebrities, because they won't just be working with them. They'll be looking for other people that they can give some money to in order to sponsor a post. Now, the amount of money that you get depends on the amount of followers and the reach and the engagement that you get, which is why when I said earlier, it's important to get real followers. Because if you've got a fake million followers to your account, you post something and you get 1 or 2 likes on it, then they're not going to be interested. They'd be more interested if you had 1,000, but they were really engaged and you get 100 people like each post that you put out. So I hope that makes sense, right? So looking for sponsored people. So look in the niche that you're in and see if you can find people that are sponsoring other people and reach out to them and see if you can get them to sponsor you too. So sponsored is a great one. Now, one that's very good is affiliate marketing. I can make some good money myself in affiliate marketing. I'm an affiliate for a product called ClickFunnels, and every single month I get a nice little check or payment into my PayPal. It is now. I used to get a check. I quite like the check actually, because it was nice to actually hold the money rather than just have digital money. But yeah, I'm an affiliate for a product called ClickFunnels. Now I choose that because I teach people how to get leads and sales online, and it's a great tool that they need, right? So it kind of makes sense for me to do that. So think of the audience that you serve and go and have a look for affiliate products that you could promote. You can get them on JVZoo, Commission Junction. There's tons of things that you could be an affiliate for. One of them's Amazon, for example. So you can actually be an affiliate for Amazon. So if someone, if you mention a product in your video, you can link to it in the description and people can then go ahead and buy that from you. So being an affiliate is a very great way to earn a good income. So affiliate is a good one there. Now, e-commerce is very good. My partner has an e-commerce brand. She has a business called Chockneys Brownies. And so that business was set up by my partner, Katie, so she could have a part-time business, right? So she just runs that 1 day a week. She makes these absolutely to die for brownies and she sells them every Monday and they sell out every single Monday. But what we do is we send it to an e-commerce store. And so if you want to check it out, it's Chockneys, which is Chocknies, Chockneys, and they're a brownie company. And you'll see exactly what she posts on her Instagram. And so every Monday she'll launch the brownies, new flavors every week. So it's like hand selected by her, and then the followers from Instagram, every time they click on the link and we sell out, or she sells out those very, very quickly. And that gives her a nice little sideline income, and it gives her something to focus on as well. So she obviously wants to earn money, but it's not looking to make it a huge business, but it really, really focuses her after we've just had a baby. So that works very, very well. And you could do that with a bigger brand as well. E-commerce is very, very good way to make money via Instagram. Next is have some merch, right? So if you build some sort of tribe, then people that follow you will want to buy your merchandise. Now, you can do this very well with websites like Teespring, for example, and you can get some designs done, and then they will print on demand and ship on your behalf. And there's tons of companies that will do that you can get some pre-made images of things like mugs and t-shirts and stuff like that. And then anyone that buys, they'll just fulfill it. They'll print it, pack it, ship it for you, and they'll give you a commission from that sale. Merch is a great way to really, really focus on growing a brand and stuff like that. So do look at getting some merchandise on there as well. It doesn't take much time. You get a few designs made, you get it launched, and that really, really works well for you. So one more before we finish, but let me know your questions or comments or thoughts below. So do comment below. Are you making any money with Instagram? Are you looking to grow your business through Instagram? And also give me a quick like on the video as well, because that really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So smash that like button quickly there. So last one is digital courses. So your knowledge and know-how is really valuable to somebody, right? Whatever it is that you do is highly valuable to people. So I teach people how to run Instagram, Facebook ads, YouTube, digital marketing stuff, right? And I also teach people property investment because I'm a property investor. And people pay me thousands of pounds for that knowledge because it gives them shortcuts to figuring it out themselves, and it gets them results that will make them way more money. So that's really, really important to consider in there. So make a list of things that you know and create stuff. I've got people that have made courses on how to make a pizza. A guy called Fabio's done really well with that. I've got a homeopathist that's got an awesome course. I've got tons of coaches and consultants that have done it. I've got marketing experts that have made AdWords courses and lots of courses in between. And so you're very leveraged when you make digital courses, because once you've made it, every single time that you sell it again, it's pretty much 100% profit because you've already spent the money on creating and developing it. And one last bonus one for sticking around to the end is just getting leads and sales into your business. So you use Instagram. If you're a normal business, like a plumber, for example, then you're not going to do many of these things. But what you're going to do is position yourself as an expert, show that you're good at what you do, build that rapport with that person via Instagram, and then get them into your business as a lead, and then obviously go out and see them face to face, and they'll buy your products and services that way. So that's another way that you can make money with Instagram. So there's 6 there that will really, really help you grow and scale and make some money online. Now, I hope you found these useful. If you did, then do subscribe and hit the bell notification. I've got new content every day. I've got nearly 1,000 videos on this channel now, so do go and check out all those videos there. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.